Back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make neem powder. Neem is a popular healing herb that has a lot of medicinal value. Almost every part of the neem, from the leaf, seed or flower, has something to offer. Neem is a healing herb and it can be used to treat hair and skin issues. So if you want to learn more about this neem herb, stay tuned and watch how I make this neem powder. To make a neem powder, you will need fresh neem leaves. Always remember to wash the neem leaves to remove dirty or dust. When you are done washing the leaves, shake off the excess water or tie the stake together and hang upside down to drain the excess water. When the water have drained, you can pick or pluck out the leaves. Dry the leaf with a clean paper towel. Please don't dry the leaf in direct sunlight because it can reduce the nutrient content. You can dry the leaves in a shade and it can take about 2 or 3 days to dry depending on the weather. Lay out the leaves on a tray to dry properly. About 3 days, the leaf is completely dried. Add the leaves into the coffee blender and blend into a fine powder. Blending, I'll pour into a bowl and continue the same process until I blend all the neem leaves. Sieve the neem powder to remove any chunks. This is optional. You can skip this method. Powder can be used to make different remedies for hair and skin. That's why this neem has a lot of healing properties and it works perfectly well. Store the neem powder in airtight container. Hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.